Here's a pair of the JLab Go Air Pop earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode, okay? So simply let's take these out, and then we'll know these are in pairing mode if one of these is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, okay? So give it a few seconds and then wait. And now, okay, I'm not getting, one of these is not blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, okay? So these are not in pairing mode, okay? It's actually connected to a different device. So I'm currently paired to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. Let me just go into settings here. I'm going to go to Bluetooth connections. Going to go to Bluetooth here, and you can see that it's connected right there. It's been paired to this device here. So let me go ahead and turn off Bluetooth. As soon as I turn off Bluetooth, watch the earbuds. I turn it off. Now look at this one over here. Blue, white, blue, white. So you can see one of these is blinking blue, white, blue, white. It's indicating it's in pairing mode. So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and go right to our computer here. And we want to go to Bluetooth. You go down to search down there, type in Bluetooth, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth and other devices right there. And then from here, just make sure you select on Bluetooth, and then make sure Bluetooth here is turned on. And we're going to click that plus sign up here, which says add Bluetooth other device. Tap on that. We're going to select the first one here where it says Bluetooth. And now you see this line here moving, okay? So it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. All right, let me go ahead and grab these earbuds here and see if these are still in the pairing mode. Blue, yeah, blue, white, blue, white. Okay, just one of them, it's still there. And let's see if, oh, okay, there we go. The air pop, oops. Just disappeared there. Oh, there it is right there. I'll select that. It's connecting. Voila, we are connected. Let me click on done here. And now you can see under audio, you can see the JLab Go, it says connected. The other ones I have paired, it just said paired, but these here, it says connected. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.